Welcome back to Zubeeda's Organic Kitchen. I am so excited to have you here. Have you had those days when no matter what you do, you can't get your energy straight? Oh yes, I've had those days too. In today's episode, I'm going to show you this simple drink that will solve your energy crisis and also boost your immune system. Keep watching. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the notification button so when we have videos every week, you will be notified. Okay, let's get cooking. We are going to be making the hibiscus tea, and it's also called Soborodo in Hausa, and some countries call it sorrel, other people call it Baobab. Okay, this happened to be extremely nutritious. It helps with weight loss, it gives you immense energy and boosts your immune system as well. All right, it has only 4 ingredients. The hibiscus, I have 1 cup of hibiscus leaves over here, and then I have ginger, I have a handful of cloves, and then of course, anybody who knows me, I'm going to put some Prekese in it. Prekese, as you all know, is this amazing fruit that helped me, together with exercise, to get rid of all my high blood pressure medication. So I'm a big fan. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this tea. It's actually not very difficult. I have about 5 cups of water in this pan. I'm going to just put in my hibiscus leaves in here. You make sure you wash it, or at least put it in a colander and run some water over it. As you can see, it's already started draining in there. It's amazing. And I'm going to put my Prekese. Make sure you wash this as well. I love having it in here because I don't put sugar in this drink. Most people do, I don't. And being that Prekese has some sweetness to it, not only does it help with my blood pressure, it also gives it that teeny bit of sweetness in it. Together with that tanginess of the hibiscus, it just comes out so flavorful and just so tasty. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the stove and get it boiling. While I'm doing that, I will blend my cloves and also my ginger. So as you can see, the hibiscus is already seeping in. I'm going to let it boil for about 30 minutes. It's going to be on high heat for about 10, and then the rest of the minutes I'm going to slow it down so it will take its time to cook. I'm telling you, this is so amazing. Instead of all that caffeine-filled drinks with a lot of chemicals in it, you could just use this, okay? So I'm going to let this boil. Whilst it's boiling, I'm going to go ahead and blend my cloves and my ginger. All right, let's get to that. My hibiscus and Prekese are boiling. I'm going to blend this ginger. It's about a medium-sized ginger. I just peeled it off and cut it into pieces, okay? And this is just a handful of cloves. I love the smell of cloves, okay? And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water in there and just blend it. My ginger and cloves are all blended up. I'm going to pour it in here and set it aside, and then wait for my sorrel or hibiscus to finish cooking, and then I'll blend these two together. Okay, let's see how the hibiscus and Prekese are doing. Let's check it out. Look at this. Look at this beauty. This is just pure antioxidants right here. So now that it's boiled for about 15 minutes, I'm going to just lower the heat and let it simmer gently for another 15 minutes. Friends, so this is my Soborodo drink. Some people call it Hibiscus, some call it sorrel. Look at how much of it I got out of that little bit of hibiscus leaves that I used. You can use this to replace those crazy energy drinks that we use sometimes, which is filled with nothing other than caffeine and chemicals. Why do that to your body? Let me know how you like it, and I love hearing from you. Drop me a comment and let me know if there's some videos or new recipes that you'd like to see on this channel. I'm so grateful to you for all your support. Until next week, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay blessed. You are amazing, and I love you. Have a great day.